Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment as well as message on my Instagram. And if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video, I will show you how to use TikTok Creative Center for dropshipping. Because lately, TikTok Creative Center or ad library as dropshippers call it, it did become really a mess when it comes to advertisements. There is all kind of advertisements on it. Some of them are brands, some of them are big businesses and so on. And to be honest, some of them just junk advertisement. So how to filter out and only find dropshipping ones? That's exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. And I will also show you keywords that you can use to filter out and only get dropshipping ads which will contain dropshipping products, obviously. And the second key point, which is the most important one, I think, in this video, is I will show you how you can tell if the advertisement or the ads is actually still active and successful and winning for the advertiser or not. Because TikTok Creative Center will only show you the advertisements. It will not give you any kind of ideas. Those estimates or guessing are only available on those spy tools. And even spy tools, they are just guessing and just estimates. So today in this video, I will show you how to tell if the ads is actually successful for the advertiser just from TikTok Creative Center. And we will not use any tools or anything like that. We will use just the data that TikTok Creative Center gives us, and we will manipulate that data to get an idea if the ad is still running and successful for the advertiser or not. And we will do that on dropshipping products, as I said. And the third key point in this video, and I will show you how to download the video from TikTok Creative Center, because some advertisements are not branded, some videos just from a Chinese version of TikTok and other videos like from AliExpress with some minor edits and so on. Those videos, you can actually use them without any copyrighted issues. And even if you come across some issue when it comes to using those videos, you can do a minor edit and use them again. And you will not have any issues when it comes to copywriting, anything like that. And without any more talking, let's just get to it. So as you can see on the screen, I'm accessing TikTok Creative Center. And by the way, they just released a top products tool right here. And it's really handy for dropshippers. I did make a video on that. Make sure to check out. You will see it actually in the description box. Just scroll down and check it out. It's really handy tool for dropshippers, as I said, because they list all the top products on their platform, and not from the organic TikTok, but actually from the advertisements. But this is not the subject for this video. The subject for this video is advertisements. So let's just access the top ads section right here. So the first tip that I will give you guys is when it comes to finding dropshipping products, a lot of people will go for a specific country. However, from my experience, to get the most data and also get a lot of products, it's best to remove the country and do not select any country or anything like that. Because dropshipping is not only exists on the United States, and also for beginners that's doing dropshipping, United States can be a little bit competitive for them. So just remove United States and do not select any country, and you will get more fresh products and also more wider range of products. So let's just remove United States and we do not select any country or anything like that. The second thing is a lot of people will also use the industry or category. However, I do not recommend that, because from my experience, when I do a research in here, I did find a lot of products that's in the wrong category or the wrong industry. So I will not select anything like that, because the subject of this video is finding dropshipping products. It doesn't matter which niche. So the first thing I'm going to do is use a keyword that will only show us dropshipping products. And from here, you can see it show us just some keywords. And this is actually some keywords that I did use earlier. That's why it's showing it like this here. And this is the exact keyword that I did search for. So the first keyword that I will be using to get only dropshipping products, which is actually a really special one, is Take My Money. Take My Money used to be a hashtag on TikTok for products and so on, but right now it's performing really good when it comes to advertisements. So I'm going to search in here for Take My Money. After that, let's just hit enter. And as I said, do not select any country or any region, just to get more products. And here we go. As you can see, all those advertisements will have this keyword in this case, which is Take My Money, as you can see. And because we didn't select any industry, it will obviously show us something that has to do with money. As you can see, this is a finance video or something like that. But this is actually better. It's better to have more options than fewer options, right? You just need to spend more time doing your proper research to find the product you're looking for. And here we go. I already see one. I already see this product from one of my previous videos. I can't remember which. It's actually a LED stripe that has the sound controller. So you can tap on your shoulder or something like that. It will release the light. Let's just check it out. And if we scroll up here, as you can see, it says 430 results. And this keyword is really hidden, not that many people know about, so you will discover some new products in this. This is a water brusher. I've seen this before as well. And this is a really good product because it's cheap. It's very cheap. Yeah, it's very good. Let's just scroll down again. As I said, a lot of finance, because we use this keyword, which is take my money, has the money keyword. By the way, let's just check the video here. And here it is, as you can see. I hope you can hear the sound though. Yeah, this is a really cool product and I've seen this before. So let's just do demonstration on this advertisements actually to show you what I said about finding out if the product or the advertisement is winning for the advertiser or not. As you can see here, it says likes, comments, and shares, which is all 0. So based this on the 7 days actually, the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, these zeros actually will tell me that this advertiser is not running the ad anymore. So this ad is not active because TikTok Creative Center does not give you the information if the ads is actually running or not, unlike Facebook ad library. But the trick that I will show you right now, you can actually know this. So right now, based on the zeros, I can tell this ad is not running anymore. However, if I change the last 7 days to the last 30 days, so 61 likes. So this ad gets 61 likes in the last 30 days, which will tell us in the last 30 days, it did actually promote this product further a little bit because only 61 likes and 7 shares. However, let's just get back to 180 days. Here we go. As you can see, it shows us 11,916 likes and 157 comments and 688 shares. So before 1 month or 2 months, this product was actually working very well for the advertiser and it was making some sales with it. And here is the data that tells us this. And right now, if we search to 7 days, it will come back to 0. Why? Because the product did die off and the product is not working anymore. So we can tell right now, if I was doing dropshipping, doing product research on TikTok Creative Center, I would know right now this is not the product that I should go for because the advertiser already stopped promoting the products and he did make some sales, as you can see. So in other means, the product is saturated and would not work for you because it's already saturated. A lot of people did promote it and this advertiser actually did kill the product, so it's not working for him and it shouldn't work for you either. And that was really simple, right? It's a really simple idea and you can implement it on any ads on TikTok Creative Center because this option for the 7 days or 30 days, 180 days is available on any ads that you access on TikTok Creative Center. And right now, let's just show you the last trick or the last step, which is how to download this video. Because as I said, this video is not branded, as you can see. I think this video was made by the owner of the product, as you can see. So I don't think he would mind using the video to sell his product, right? So how to download this video? And it's really simple. The first thing I'm going to do, actually I'm using Safari browser right now. I'm going to switch to Google Chrome just to make it easier because I know a lot of people using Chrome browser. And also on Chrome browser, it's a lot simpler than using Safari browser. So give me a moment, I'm going to copy the link. I don't know what's going on a Chrome browser. It doesn't want to load the video in here, as you can see. But I will show you the trick anyway, and it will work, I promise. So the first thing you're going to do once you access the video page or the ad that you want to download the video from, simply right click and you should see this inspect right here. Click on it and the video should become like this. And after that, head over to this network tab right here and click on it. And after that, this empty page will show up and look for the media link right here. As you can see, it says here media. Simply click on it and go back to the video on the page and play it. Just play it for a couple of seconds and a new link will show up here, which is the video link. In that case, you can simply right click on it and open a new tab, and you can right click and save it, or you should see 3 dots on the video player and download it from there. And yeah, this is my life when I start making videos. I don't know what's going on once suddenly Chrome browser doesn't want to show me the video. It doesn't make sense at all. As you can see, it doesn't want to play the video, and actually even TikTok Creative Center doesn't want to load up. As you can see, it says this site can't be reached. I don't know what's the deal here. Maybe they hate me, I don't know. But the trick that I show you, it works every time, and I promise. And that's how you figure out if the ads is actually winning for the advertiser on TikTok Creative Center or not. And that's how you download the video as well. And also, as I said, the keywords that you need to search for in order to find the dropshipping products, I will put them in the description box. Just scroll down the description and check out the keywords there and copy them and use them to search for advertisements that only has to do with dropshipping. And as I said, if you guys have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in comment or check out my Instagram right here. I do reply to each comment as well as messages on Instagram. And if you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.